Hello everyone, this is a DIY Raspberry Pi or automatic night lamp project. So here, this is our sensor and this is the LED to show, okay? And then the rest of this is just the wires to make this project work. So now let me show you how it actually works. So I've got the Python code right here, and now let me play it. So as you can see, this is the voltage, and when you turn down, you can see right here the light itself. So right now there are lights on, so it is shining a little bit. But as soon as I turn this, you can see that it suddenly gets way brighter. And when you check the readings, it's now 3.114. And now when I take the cap off, you can see it's getting dimmer. The reading went to 0.52. Now when I shine a lot of light at it, as you can see, it is getting dimmer, and when you check the readings, you can clearly see that it's going down. So this right here is the photoresistor, the thing which makes this project possible. And this basically checks how much light it is and accordingly tells this light bulb to be brighter or dimmer. Thank you. Bye.